So what we're going to do today is to use some of the Ballast Magic with the Woodland Scenics fine ballast. Some of the things I use, first of all, this is a container with the ballast with some of the Ballast Magic in it from the last time I used it. A spoon. I have a brush to kind of move the excess if it doesn't go in the right spot. And I also use this is a ketchup container that most of the time it works okay. I've had to put a hole in here, give it air so it'll come out. But I'll mix it in here and then put it in here to apply it. So we'll get on with that right now. So the Ballast Magic, usually you have about 7 heaping teaspoons of the ballast. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll put that over there for now. Then here's the Ballast Magic. Take a heaping teaspoon of this, 1 for every 7. They go 5 to 7, but I found that 7's about right. And then 1 of these heaping. Okay. Then I mix it up. I think somebody told me, because this stuff comes from England, I think it's wallpaper paste, I think. And if you look up wallpaper paste in the US, it's fairly expensive. Whether or not it compares to what this stuff is, I don't know. So I try to put, if I had a funnel, it'd go faster, but I'm going to put some in here and we'll see how well it works this time. All right, we'll get that out of the way. Put the top on. And then I'm going to adjust the camera angle so you can watch it. So usually what I do is use this to go into the middle first. Then I take a finger, kind of smooth it out, see where I need to put some more. Same thing, use the finger. Here's where the brush comes in handy. I still have to apply more to the sides. I mean, everybody has their own way of doing this. This is just the way I do it. And one of my subscribers had asked how I did this. So, and then we'll do a little bit on the side. Same thing with the finger. Get it in there nice and tight. Like I say, everybody has their own way of doing this. This is just the way I like to do it. I hate doing ballast to begin with because it's kind of a necessary evil. I don't want to use the brush too much in the middle because it'll spread it around a little bit too much. To put some more in the container. Sometimes I have to revert back to the spoon, which I'll do. I mean, that tool works sometimes, doesn't always work. And a couple of cleaning cars. Now, there's two other things I use. This is 70% alcohol, and that'll hold down the woodland scenics because it does float. And then I have water. So the first thing I'll do is I'll put this on. Some of it does get displaced, even with this. And we can go back and fix that later on. Here's the water. And you put the water on. Which activates the glue that's in Ballast Magic. Now, a couple other things that I do. I will run a fingernail, usually the thumb, on the inside, like that, or a finger on the other side. And I'll run my cleaning cars over the top of it. And then I have one other thing. Keep the track clean. So now it'll be a couple hours, it'll be dry, and then we'll come back and I'll show that to you. Okay, I went ahead off camera and did this section here, but it's dry now. It's been probably 3 or 4 hours. I was playing on a computer. So, but anyway, that's done for now. So the next part will be to add the rest of the scenery, trees. May have to order some more, as I mentioned earlier, but that's where we stand with this project right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it.